everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a haul. It's not a very big haul, it's just a couple things from Stitches and what else? Some of the stuff I'm going to be showing you is from the Buy, Sell, Swap group on Facebook. They probably have one in your hometown. There's a ton of them on Facebook, and what it is just people upload photos of things that they're trying to get rid of, so clothing, like auto, just everything that you can think of. People are uploading pictures, and what you do is you just comment saying that you want it or whatever and then arrange to pick it up. So I've actually sold a lot of clothes on there, so it's a really good way to make some extra money. But also I've bought a few things. So I have a few things to show you from that website, and then I have Stitches and and I went to Spring as well. So I'm going to start out with my favorite purchase of the whole entire haul, and my favorite purchase from the whole entire year probably. I'm so obsessed with these shoes. So I got them from Spring. They were regular $45, and then they were on sale for $29.98 or something, and then an additional 30% off. So I got these shoes. I don't know if the receipt's in here. No, it's probably in my purse, but I got these shoes for like $23 with tax, which was an amazing deal. So this is what the shoes look like. They are so amazing. They're just brown, strappy gladiator style shoes or sandals. And then this is they're kind of all wacky right now, but this is my favorite part. It has peacock feathers, which if you know anything about me, you know I'm so obsessed with peacocks. Peacocks and owls, but yes, I love them. And then it has, it's all tangled, but it has all this beading and stuff. I just think these are amazing. I posted a picture on Instagram and I had a few people say that they really liked them. The next place that I went was Stitches. I just went there yesterday before work. I always do that. I always arrive to work early, and then I'm like, let's just go shopping for 30 minutes, and then I always find stuff to buy. So I need to start coming to work on time so that I stop going shopping. But it's okay that I bought these things because literally it was super cheap, so not a big deal. So I only got 2 items, and they're the exact same item, just in different colors. I always seem to do that when I really like something, and especially if it's cheap, I'll just go out and buy it in every single color. This I didn't buy in every single color because literally they had all the colors of the rainbow, but I just got it in black and pink. So this is what the black one looks like. It's a skirt. I don't know if the detailing is going to show up quite on camera. It's just a lace skirt. It's so cute. And then yeah, the back's the exact same. These are just bodycon skirts, so they fit super tight, which I like, and they are a reasonable length as well. I actually could get away with wearing these to work. I would just wear them lower on my hips and then have a shirt kind of going over top, but then you could also wear them to the bar or wear them wherever. You could definitely shorten them up by just making them a little bit more high-waisted, and you could tuck a shirt into them, or there's tons of different ways you could wear them. And then the pink one just looks like this. It's not even showing up on camera how pink it is. It's literally hot pink. It is neon pink. It's amazing. They had neon coral, which I might go back and get. I wasn't sure about it at the time. And then they had neon yellow and green and just all of these colors. So yeah, I definitely thought I would pick these 2 up. I think they're definitely a great buy, and I'll be able to get lots of use out of them. I don't know if I said how much they were, but they are $5. Next things that I want to show you are things that I got from the Buy, Sell, Swap store. The first thing will go so cute with those sandals that I got. I actually did wear them in an outfit the other day, but it just looks like this. It has a really long handle, which I like, or handle, is it called strap, whatever it's called, and then it just has one clasp in here. It actually comes with a mirror, which I think is kind of weird. And then inside, I mean, it's tiny, but obviously it's tiny. Look how small it is. I got this, it was from American Eagle. It was brand new. It actually still had the tags on it of $19.50. And then she wanted 10 for it, and I was like, will you take 5? Because, no, actually, no, that's not true. I asked her if it was still available, and she said yes, it's reduced to $5. So I was like, sweet. So I definitely picked this up. I think this is a really nice color for spring, and it's really small, or I meant for summer anyways, but it's really small. So what I like about it is that literally I can throw my keys, my phone, a couple cards, and a cash, and I'm out the door. It's super small, so obviously I can't put my wallet or anything like that in there, but I don't know, it's small, it's perfect for just doing errands and that sort of thing. The next 2 items that I want to show you are pretty wrinkly because they've been kept in the bag, and also I got this all from the same seller, so she's got a pretty good sense of style. The first thing, sorry, it's all, I tried it on and then now I didn't take out the sleeves apparently. Okay, So the first thing is this shirt. It's again from American Eagle, and I picked it up for $5. It's just like a darker pink, a lighter pink, and then a coral. And yeah, it's just really, really pretty. I thought, you know, for $5 it was a pretty good deal, which again, it's inside out. This shirt from Ardeen's, and I got it again for $5. It just looks like this. I think it's really cute. It's just like a basic kind of cami, except for the front has all this like lace crochet detailing, and then the back has it right here as well. Again, $5. I don't care for how baggy this fits. I thought this was going to be a really tight fitting kind of shirt, so I was a little bit disappointed, but again, $5, you can't really go wrong. So I don't know, I might sell this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I mean, I will get use out of it. I was just really hoping that it was super tight fit, which it's not, but oh well, what are you gonna do? I guess that's what happens when you buy things. So that was it for my haul. I'm gonna go and eat my watermelon, which I've kind of been eating throughout the haul. I know that's horrible, but I just wanted to start filming, and then I wanted to eat, and I want to do everything at once, and I can't. So I have to say it's pretty good multitasking though, if you ask me. But anyways, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna edit this video, probably upload it tomorrow. I might actually film a few more videos. Not quite sure. I don't really know what to film. If you guys have any requests, like always, leave them down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys really like. Like, I'm assuming you like hauls, because whenever I post a haul, I get lots of likes on it, and everyone seems to like those. I don't know if you guys like outfit of the days. I really like filming those. And when I'm getting, I haven't told you guys this actually. I'm buying the Canon Rebel T4i. Right now I have the T3i, but I'm buying the T4i probably end of July, mid-August, something like that. Yeah, so when I finally get that camera, it has autofocus, so I will be doing tutorials and everything. Now with my camera not having autofocus, it's really hard because literally if you move up a centimeter, back a centimeter, like just if you're moving all around, it goes in and out of focus, which if you guys see my tutorial, which I'll link down below if you've not seen it, there's a couple points in there where I'm a little bit out of focus, and that bugs me. So when I get my new camera where it autofocuses, I will for sure be making tutorials. So let me know if you guys want to see like what tutorials you want to see down below, so I can kind of jot those down and keep them in mind. But yeah, that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.